Hello! Today we will consider all modes of operation of the TTP223 module. The first mode is standard. It is activated by default. When you touch the sensor, a high signal level appears at the output, and the LED lights up. When you release it, the signal becomes low and the LED goes out. This is the simplest and most common mode. The second mode is inverted. To activate it, you need to turn the module board over and close the A pin. In this mode, everything works the other way around. When you touch the sensor, the LED does not light up, and when you release it, it lights up. The third mode is a switch. To do this, open contact A and close contact B. In this mode, the first touch of the sensor turns on the LED, and the second touch turns it off. This is convenient if the sensor is used to turn the device on or off. The fourth mode is an inverted switch. To activate this mode, close both contacts A and B. In this case, the sensor will work like a switch, but with an inversion. For example, the first touch turns off the LED, and the second touch turns it on. Additionally, the module can be customized with a ceramic capacitor. There is a special place on the board for its connection. The capacitance of the capacitor determines the sensitivity of the sensor. For example, if you set the capacitor to 50 picofarads, the sensitivity will be minimal. If you connect a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, the sensitivity of the sensor will increase significantly. But remember, if the capacitance is too large, the sensor may start to work incorrectly or even freeze. Thank you for watching. See you soon.